Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, finally after a long time, I'm back with new updates of Pi Network. Here are some important news about the Pi Network, especially we'll check the price, what people are thinking about the Pi Network, when they are going to purchase the Pi Network. I can say might be in this month or within this few days, we will see a pullback. We will see somehow a correction in the market. So, what people are thinking about that, whether they are purchasing the Pi network or not. So, even we will talk about the new event that is going to happen in next month, Token 2049. The founder is going to participate as a speaker. So, is this a bullish news for the Pi network or not? What founder will speak about the pie in the event? The whole thing I will cover inside this video. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more updates about the Pi network, Presale project, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So you can see this update. List of projects that I will definitely take in the next bear markets. As people are talking about a correction which is coming within few days. Some people are thinking about 90,000, like Bitcoin will touch 90,000 in this month. This will be a correction, and then we will see a move to the upside. So in this correction, might be, altcoins will go down about 20%, 30%. So this person is saying that I will purchase Pi network. Definitely in this bear market, I will purchase the Pi coin because Pi coin is just building an ecosystem for Web3, a cryptocurrency lovers. In this ecosystem, Pi will be having a real world utility. It's a solid project. Of course, in the short period of time, if you see the price is just falling down again and again. If I show you the coin market cap, for now, the price is 0.35 cent and the market cap is around $2 billion. A few months ago, the market cap was 10 billion. It means that 8 billion just, I can say, near to 3 billion. So 7 billion just wiped out from the market cap of the Pi network. 7 billion is not a small amount. This is like people are just purchasing Pi only for a short period of time. Once they make money, so they are just selling and cash out their profit. You know, the market cap is 2.8 billion, although increased 3.56% in one day. So in this upcoming bear market, will you purchase the Pipeline or not? Checking the ecosystem, I know, most of the users, still their KYC is not completed. The token migration is not completed. But you can use it in the real life, like purchasing goods and services. Even you can use in several platforms, like if I show you the KYB page, this is the list of KYB verified businesses. So there are 10 platforms. Some of them are exchanges, some of them are like any platform where you can do any transaction like purchasing token, purchasing coin, selling the coin like Bangsa. Okay, so you can find OKX, TransFi, MEXC, Bangsa, Pionix, BitGet, Zipto, OnRamp.money, OnRamper, Get.io. So slowly you can see slowly there are some platforms that the KYB is complete, the verified, and then they will be listed in the website. So slowly we will see some exchanges, top exchanges like KuCoin, Kraken, I can say Bybit, I can say Binance, Coinbase, some top exchanges. Hey presale lover, if you don't know about the presale project, if you're looking for the best presale, so this is one of them. Pepe not a presale project, a new presale project in the market. Mine to earn meme coin. So finally, this presale project just crossed 1 million USD in the presale stages. So the link is in the description if you want to purchase this presale project in here. By mining, you will earn the token. So make sure check this project. Already I uploaded a full video you can find inside my YouTube channel. Pi Network has upgraded its blockchain protocol from version 19 to 20. So currently on testnet, this process is expected to be a gradual upgrade leading up to version 23. So things are coming. The protocol version is going to update. And this is the thing, let me show you here. Fulfill your promise. So we want to hear from you. Should Pi be launched on Binance? What now on Binance Square? So still people are waiting for like Binance listing. People are just thinking that Binance one day, one day Binance will list the Pi network. So I can say there is not any confirmation about the listing of the Pi network inside the Binance. There is not any a single hint about the listing. But rumors are talking about that. If you check the Twitter, if you check the YouTube, everyone is talking about the Binance listing. But there is not any official announcement. So let's check this. This is the article uploaded in the website September 8th. Okay, so Pi Network founder confirmed as a speaker at upcoming Token 2049 conference. So a few months ago, the founder Dr. Nicholas just participated in the, I can say, one of the big event. So he did not did any a good thing about like Pi Network, or I can say about the project. He did not speak any good thing about the Pi project, like upcoming roadmap, what things are coming in the Pi ecosystem, about the listing, about the development. So he did not say anything. So let's see. Another developer, Dr. Feng, what she will say about Pi Network in this event. One of two founders at Pi Network. So she's gonna speak in Token 2049 event in Singapore. So which takes place October 1 to 2025. During this engagement, she will focus on crypto and blockchain as mechanism for real societal utility and impact. So the thing is, she's going to talk about overall cryptocurrency, about the Web3, about the blockchain, like mostly she should speak about the Pi network, about the ecosystem, what developments they are gonna bring in the Pi ecosystem, about the roadmap. At least she should give some hint about the listing. So one thing about this, this is a bullish news for the Pi network or no? In here, not only Dr. Finn, there will be, I can say, top influencers, I can say, top blockchain developers, top cryptocurrency trader. They're going to participate in Token 2049. So, there are 25,000 attendees, 300 speakers, 500 exhibitors from across the world. It means that there will be some founders, executives, investors, developers, and policymakers. So together they are in this event. So I can say it will be one of the top event about the cryptocurrency. Make sure to watch it because you will understand, you will learn more about the cryptocurrency. So, Dr. Fan speaking at the event and Pi Network serving as a gold sponsor of the Token 2049 event. So, Pi Network is serving as a gold sponsor on this event. This is a good news. So, Pi's activities ensure the network has a strong presence on one of the industry's largest stages. So, you can check this article. Somehow this is what she's going to participate in the event. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section whether this is a bullish news for the Pi or no. So this is a short update about the Pi network. Make sure watch this video, share this video with everyone. Still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video, goodbye, see you.